Okay, what I'm going to show you is, here's a key fob off a new Kia. It's actually from the Kia Seltos 2024 model, but it's the same for 21 to current, which is 26, I believe. But I'm going to replace the battery inside it, which is right here. The battery is a 2032. See that? Alright, I just got them from Walmart. This is pretty simple to do. There's a little button on the side here. Push that in. And when you do that, you pull this extra key out. See, there we go. This is your emergency key. Once you do that, just stick your hands in here. Use your strength to pry this thing open. See how it's coming apart? There you go. There's the image. Push out this old battery. Remember how it came out. You want to put the next one in the same way. You don't want to have it upside down. But all these circuits here, that's where you need to have the battery connecting. It just slides in. Your battery is installed. Do your reassemble. This snaps on. And the key slides back into the rear. And it snaps back in. And you're done. Congratulations.